We're going to talk about how they paint a person as shapes. And by the way, the medium I'm using is, this is Gamsol and this is walnut oil. Add a little walnut oil with this together. Let's take a look at what color I'm going to start with the sketch. I'm just going to have any gray color. That's fine. Including a little red and the blue color. So I'm thinking about the whole raft shape. So the top probably got up over here. Just thinking about how you're going to divide this space. How much you want to include. Okay. Try not to commit to it too early, too quickly. So hold the brush a little bit loose and then see. I definitely want to include the coffee cup and the hand. Okay. So whether or not I'm going to include the whole elbow or just part of it. Okay. Just get your feeling involved and as much as you can in this process. So also I'm thinking that have a little white shape, the light shape coming up over here to divide this space over here. You can change the shape if you want. Just have a little shape over here and maybe have the corner of that, or maybe no. No, I'm not going to include the wall over here. Maybe have some light shape at the bottom that I'm going to can loose this out. I'm going to have a very thin line for showing the opening of the mouth. Take a look, where is it? Right here, coming in a little bit. That's good. Now take a look at the lower lip, or even the bottom of the lower lip. Now here we go. From here, connect up over here. Lighter color on the edge over here. Here we go. A little bit light color. Here you go. That's good. A little lighter shape. And I'm gonna have this so a little bit lighter. Let's take a look. A little lighter. Like that. And I think we need to have a little bit organized a little bit. And over here, have a little brick brownish, a little yellow brownish color on the top over here. Here we go. I'm gonna have this. Here we go. A little bit coming up. A little bit coming up. Okay. A little bit coming up. Okay, if you think it's still a little rough, you can continue defining it, but you don't just come out from your mind. You need to use observation and try to see how you can observe, get the evidence, and then connect it together. Okay, but for this demonstrations, after I connect that a little bit over here, and we can call this finish. Just try to show you the general process and how to start painting from a very rough idea and gradually coming down to the more details later. Okay, at the later step. I'm gonna take it over here, organize that, and And then the top over there, get a little bit white. Here you go. Now connect that into the rest of the background. Okay, I think I like the idea. They have it a little bit dimmer, but also like the idea they have the top in here a little bit lighter. So mix the color well into the brush. Okay, here we go. A little bit more light. There you go. Let's see. It's pretty good. So if you're a member and you get access to the dashboard, download the reference. If you liked this, share with your other friends.